We have been using TeamViewer for years to offer remote troubleshooting of our medical equipment, for example, MRIs or CTs. And as we developed a new remote scanning service for MRI imaging, we were looking for a strong and trusted technology partner. So together with TeamViewer, we are now perfectly positioned regarding remote connectivity and can combine strong performance and high security standards.
Our solutions empower our customers' workforce to solve business-critical problems by using cutting-edge technologies such as augmented reality, IoT, and artificial intelligence. This applies to desk workers as well as employees outside of the classical office environment, for example, those in field service, manufacturing, or logistics.
The retail industry logistic processes must be efficient and accurate to meet the customer promise. Through the use of augmented reality solutions, employees' daily work is enriched with easy-to-follow instruction, which ensure high efficient operations and accuracy in the supply chain space.
Based on global technological megatrends, the potential for TeamViewer software is boundless. And our ambition is to explore more and more use cases to continuously add value for our users and customers around the globe.